to do or discuss my rice water challenge that I'm doing for 5 days. So what I'll start with showing you how I actually make my rice water. It's actually several ways you can make it, but for today I'm going to just show you how I make it. And first off, I have a container to put it in. You need to make sure you have a top for it to sit for at least 24 hours. So you can use white rice, brown rice, they even have black rice. I have actually tried them all. I've been doing rice water for several years now, and I think it actually has helped with my hair growth. I actually, about 5 years ago, I had a very short pixie cut. It was shaved to the back. I will insert a picture so you can see it. And my goal is actually to get to tailbone length. I think I'm at a little bit below waist length. So my goal is tailbone length. So today I will be using clearly organic rice, brown rice. I think I purchased this from Amazon. So I have a half a cup. So I'm gonna fill this up and place it. Well, you have to clean the water several times. Since I am in the bathroom, I will go ahead and use the water from out of here. So I take my half a cup of rice and I place it in my container, and then I will add 1 to 1.5 cups of water. I really don't have any definite measurement for it. It's just what I think is best.
So, I'll clean my rice first.
Make sure I wash it really good. Get all the dirt and grime and stuff out of there, and rinse it off about 2 times. And it has a lot of brown stuff coming out, so you definitely need to make sure you clean your rice. So I'm gonna rinse it again, get the rest of the dirt and grime. And so that's my second rinse, and now I will go ahead and add my water. I will add about, I'm using a half a cup of rice, so I'll use 1 cup of water. And I close it up, close the container up, and you let it sit out for 24 hours. So I have already did that prior to starting this video, so I will go ahead and use the rice that I've had to sit out and made already, which I have it in a spray bottle already. So what I am doing today, my hair is not washed. I just wet it for the video to come and show you how I'm actually going to be doing it for 5 days. I will not wash my hair until 5 days. I'm gonna do my rice water as a leave-in, and I will also use my rice water split in therapy by my Elle. This is my 5-day challenge. You can see that. She actually just had a sale for June 10th on that collection, and I did order some more. And I'm also going to be using this growth oil by my Elle as well. It's the rosemary mint growth oil. It's infused with biotin. So I typically try to use this every day, so I am going to continue that throughout my 5-day rice water challenge. So what I will do first off is, this is my rice water. I shake it up. I am low porosity hair, so protein, I'm a little sensitive to protein, so I try not to use it often. I take breaks, but I have been doing it for years now. So I am going to spray it on my scalp and throughout my hair. This bottle is a mist bottle. It can be purchased from Sally's. I will make sure that I put all my products in the description box below. Please make sure, if you're continuing to watch, that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Detangle my hair.
Several ways. You can use rice water as a conditioner, as a shampoo, and as a leave-in. So this time for my challenge, I decided to do a 5-day leave-in treatment, which will consist of me doing this same process for 5 days without washing my hair. So on the 5th day is when I will wash it out. So that is all. That's the front. Make sure you massage your scalp real good. And so after I put the rice water on my scalp, and rice water helps with hair growth, but it also helps with shedding. And I do have a little shedding. I actually will do another video later with the black tea rinse, because I heard that it's pretty good for shedding as well. So I do know that when I used to use rice water a lot, I did not experience as much shedding as I am experiencing now. So again, that'll be a later video. So now I'm about to get ready to use the oil. This is my absolute favorite oil from Mielle Rosemary Mint. And I just work that in my scalp real good. I massage that in real good. It has a tingling sensation or tingling feeling that's really good for your scalp. So now I'm getting ready to do the split end therapy. So I'm putting that on my ends and working it in. Now, the Mielle Rice Water Collection, it smells very good. It doesn't smell like the DIY rice water. Definitely smells a lot better. So I got that on all of my ends. And this is the hair. So this is my hair in the back. And like I said, my goal is to get to tailbone. And I'm currently about right here. Not sure if you can see that, but so I'm almost there, I think. I am doing a no heat challenge as well to help with my hair growth. And I also, for my heat damage, I also make sure I deep condition weekly. And not using any heat for the remaining of the year. I have not used heat since November, so all of that is helping with my hair growth as well. So today's video was to discuss the rice water challenge that I am doing for 5 days. If you are still watching, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see me do any other videos, please put that in the comment section below. You can also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. Thank you for watching Main Attraction.